Hello WordPress website creators. In this video, we are going to set up a very new website for eSports or gaming. So if you are targeting any such website, watch this video until end, and the theme that we are going to use is Feron, and I'm happy to record this video because it is a very new theme at Envato Market, that is on themeforest.net, came into existence just 5 days ago, and we are covering this WordPress theme for modern, stylish and high performance website for gaming and esports. This is Feron. So I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and I got the theme pack as well. In the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, the child theme, one core plugin has been included, licensing, and the demo data as well. So we can simply proceed to install the Feron WordPress theme, and this is the layout that you can target with the theme. It has all the internal pages included in the demo content itself, so you can launch your website very quickly. Just you need to update your own content and it will be fine to go live. So we have pages, so like let us check all these things with a live website, and all is good here. So here it is, and I'm going to install the theme first of all under appearance section of core installation of WordPress. As of now, the 2025 WordPress theme is here. I'm going to add new theme. Just select the installable theme file, that is feron.zip, and click on install now. It will take a while because the theme file size is really optimized, so you can expect a very quick installation. So I must tell you, the Feron is available just for $19 at themeforest.net through the video description links. It may be introductory price, so it is a good idea to grab this opportunity, and you can have 3-4 copies, so you can increase the quantity here at themeforest.net. It got just one sale. It is a very new theme, so you have chance to make a unique website on the web using this esports gaming WordPress theme Feron. Okay, so now it has been installed, and we can go to the theme page just to check the details. Feron is here, and this is very first version. Let us activate this, and upon activation we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins. So let us see. Elementor page builder is here. Feron core is the core plugin, classic editor, classic widgets, and contact form 7 as usual. MailChimp for email subscription, one-click demo import for importing demo content, and SVG email support is here. All great plugins. I'm going to select all here. Selecting install, clicking on apply, and here all plugins got installed in a single click. So you can see all green marks here. It is important to install all plugins without any error, so it can be done in a single click as I did. So I'm going to select all again, and this time I will activate all the installed plugins. All done, and all has been activated very quickly. It is moving so fast, so we can come back to the dashboard, and I got some new navigation like frequent setting and the theme options we can explore here. I will go for demo import data, import demo data. Meanwhile, we can take a look of our website, how it looks with the theme and all setup plugins. So this is the core look. So of course we need to import the demo content to make our target website. This is going to be our target website, and okay, so we need to, so this is the home page, and we have hamburger menu and all such things that we need for a gaming website, right? So let us proceed for importing demo content, and under appearance we have this option import demo data, and simply click on import demo data here, continue and import. Now the demo content import process is begin, and we have to wait until we are getting the success or even might be error message. So we have to wait here without disturbing the page, without hitting the back button or refreshing the page. Meanwhile, you can check the media items. When you are getting media items, it means the demo import is going fine. So I got some media elements here. It means the demo import is working fine. Meanwhile, the demo import works. I must tell you, for all new visitors, you can compare other themes and hundreds of plugins, WordPress themes, and how-to guides at WP Themes website. The link has been given in the video description. You can export the hosting coming from the great hosting providers, best hosting providers for WordPress website, and you can get installation support, and all such supports that you may require for your WordPress website, like installation, troubleshooting, add-on features, and even for new purchases about which theme is going to be suitable for you. So all these guidance can be availed, and the growth engine is also here, like WP Success Program, material kits, website packages are here, business solution you can get here, and moreover, you can get in touch with a mentor to complete your website in all aspects on a live chat. Yes, and all it is going to be free. You just need to buy the theme at themeforest.net through the video description link. That is an affiliate link, of course. So we have to wait and wait until the demo content gets fine and all imported. So it is increasing slowly, but yes, it is working. So we have to wait. Okay, cool. So it took around 10 minutes for me, at least, to reach on this screen, and it is simply saying import complete, your import completed, but some things may not be. Okay, that is fine. And as I can check, my new website is here. I got all the contents, all the elements very smoothly without any trouble, and everything is working fine, and the website is now ready to put its original content, and I can launch my website without any trouble, I believe. And I can check, this is about us page, this is a has page, and link, it is not linked. Okay, so contact us is here. So the installation remained successful, smooth, and it took around 10-11 minutes for me. It may be different, timing may be different for your installation depending upon the infrastructure, the environment you are using. But yes, it goes fine. So I must show you how many media items, why it took around 10 minutes, at least for me. Uh, 420 media items was included in the demo content. This is being the reason why it took larger time. Okay, so now if we can check back the number of pages what we got in this demo import, I can see the 16 published pages are here. Home 1, 2, 3. I mean, we have 3 home pages in fact. So I can show you home 2. This is home 2, which was somehow not visible here, but I got the second home page surprisingly, and it is equally good, wonderful. And home 3, yes, it is also wonderful in look, stunning in design. Okay, good. So you can choose any of these home page, of course. And if we talk about the internal pages, this is like pricing and the services pages we have. So you can go for any of these pages for using directly at your website, right? And as we have received all the content, we can find uh, proceeding for editing the content. In the Feron setting, I have the matches where we can create new matches. So matches being the integral part of this gaming website, and one is published here, so I can show you. So it can be edited with the Elementor. So it is showing in the basic editor look. So it can be edited with the Elementor. You can simply enable the Elementor here where you want to enable the content editing, like matches can be enabled here, and just save the changes. I can come back to the matches again to show you just for confirmation everything is working fine. So edit with Elementor now is here, and we are fine to edit all the contents using the Elementor page builder. Yes, matches are here, and yes, good. So similarly, you can create unlimited matches, unlimited pages as you need for your website, and you can edit rest of the content using the options. Next, we have the games. Similarly, we have option to create games, themes, and finally, I can show you the theme option where you can edit most of the basic things of the website, like freeloader SBC enable option. We can use here, and further we have typography control, back on top, menu sticker, sidebar, sorry, the theme colors. Okay, so if I'm clicking here and it is not opening, like when I click the theme colors, it is not changing the screen. What is the trick behind this? What is the special uh, step? So just click on the button and refresh the page. You'll be able to open the page that you actually want. So header, footer, breadcrumb, custom slug URL, blog setting, and the page settings, and also setting basic. So all good. And finally, you can simply edit the content, be it the home page or any other page, using the Elementor page builder, and this is preloaded. So open the page that you want to edit, click on edit with Elementor, and you can finally edit the content what you actually want to put at your website. So go to the respective area, hover on the item, and click on the respective element that you want to edit. And this is navigator. You can jump into the section that you want to edit. So it is very easy, going to be very easy, and you can check on the tablets, mobile phone, how it is looking on the different devices. It is all Elementor feature, and I feel you can easily create your website using this Feron WordPress theme, which is especially made for gaming and eSports. So I feel I have shown you much of the things about the website installation, the customization options, the theme options and all. And if you have any further question, don't hesitate in asking in the comment section or join the iCreate program as I shown you in the video through the WP Themes website. All the links has been given in the video description. For purchasing the theme, for buying the theme, you have to follow the link given in the description. You have to make a purchase on the theme forest and you can get all the supports there. Right. So let us meet in the next video with new theme, new resources for your wonderful and great website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.